Okay, this is the 52-inch Hunter Fletcher Creek. This fan installed in my garage like February of 2023 or 22, I don't know, because we used to have the old SMC DJ42, but the fan was saggy and it wobbles. Yeah. This light is about to be burnt out. So we have to do this quick. It's nighttime outside, so I have to better hurry before the hurricane's coming. Now I'm gonna start the fan first. The fan low. Yeah, I cannot do the light because it will be dark. Yeah, it's like almost 10 p.m. right now. There's medium. Oh, I forgot to show you the Hunter pull chains. There's Hunter pull chains. They have a switch cap, but I keep it too. So there's medium. Yeah, the light's about to be burnt out. I have to change it or not because it'd be a disaster right now. And there's high. Oh, well that's not good. The pull chains are twisted. Well, I gotta get them to stop twisting because stop. Yeah. I think this is off. Yeah, this is off. And also I'm ready to turn off this fan. So it's off. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.